Puppy Saviors. A Buddhist temple was hidden amid green mountains. As white clouds floated by, its beauty was enchanting. The elderly Mrs. Wang was a devout Buddhist. She painstakingly made her way to the temple to pay respects before the Buddhist statue. As soon as she stepped outside the temple's gate, she exclaimed, "Goodness, an earthquake!" Birds fled from the woods, flying in a panic. In an instant, a surging stream of earth and rock knocked over the temple. The woman was carried away. Night fell. There was no moonlight. She was stuck between two huge rocks, unable to move. She was alone. The wind blew hard and mournfully. "This is terrible! Everyone's gone for shelter. My lower body is buried in earth. What can I do?" Woof! 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 Two fluffy shapes appeared and moved around the woman in the dark. She took a closer look. A pair of puppies! At daytime, luckily, the puppies went in search of food. Then, they squeezed through the stone slits to feed the old lady. They even knew she was thirsty. Every now and then, they went over to lick her lips and face. How understanding! During those moments, the loving face of Amitabha Buddha would appear in her mind, seeing her through a row time. On the morning of the 9th day, the frail old lady finally heard a noisy crowd. The puppies had brought over a search and rescue team. Inside the ambulance, the lady told the nurse her experience of the past few days. She would always remember her unexpected touching saviors, the two puppies. Thank you, Namo Amitabha Buddha.